Next currency pair I want to share with you is the euro dollar. So euro dollar on a weekly shows us that we last week we had a very strong retest to the upside, breaking above the 61.8 at 11823. But then that was at the start of the week. But then the latter part of the week, it ran out of steam, and we started to come off those highs, and we just managed to close with a bullish candle. It's a doji candle, but with a slight bullish body, but very very much about indecision. You can see with the indicators that we've been going up and up and up, and it's been very strong. We're looking for about 8 to 12 of these bars. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Could this be the end of this move off this 61.8? May have one more push up now just to retest these highs, and then if it stalls at around 11820, we could see this also ready for a decent sell-off, or at least a decent correction from a weekly point of view. Or could it just go up and test for a third time and then try and make a new high and hit that round number 12,000? We'll see what happens. The setup's certainly there for a decent correction back down, so we could see 115 as a first downside target, because Friday gave us a decent sell-off, which is what we spoke about, which is why you're seeing that doji on the weekly. So sudden amount of a solid amount of bearish movement, price action off the back of the non-farm payroll. So we're going to see if that is the start of the kickstart to the downside. Certainly with a bearish candle like that, I'd be interested in shorting it from around 11800s, with stops considered around 11900s, looking for ideally the retest of this last swing around 11680, so 11680 to 11700, and then the next big T2 would be at around 11500 for a previous structure retest.